With the accelerating deployment of AI at the edge, we can expect that more than 3/4 of all data will eventually be processed at the edge. This kind of growth makes the need for robust silicon-to-cloud security more important than ever. Without the proper implementation of edge device security, your solution can be compromised during many phases of its life, from initial boot to firmware updates or during ongoing lifecycle management. The cost of a solution breach is high, not only in dollars, but in the loss of your customers' trust and serious damage to your brand. Protecting AI models, which may represent the vast majority of an edge device's value, is absolutely critical. At Sequitur Labs, we have a variety of methods for protecting AI models at the edge. Using a secure enclave, dedicated memory in an ARM processor, critical intellectual property can be encrypted at all times and only accessed by authenticated command. In another method, by using opaque keys and objects, encryption keys that are not exposed even to applications passing commands to control a model, an AI model can be encrypted while it is at rest and authorized to run only by verified sources. Finally, an AI model running on dedicated hardware, such as a GPU, can be completely isolated from business applications, like web applications and a Linux operating system, using a hypervisor and firewall, allowing only verified and authenticated commands. Here's an example involving computer vision. This deployment is for video surveillance and analytics. It features an appliance that applies AI models to video feeds. Different AI models can be loaded to the appliance and applied, for example, for facial recognition or for measuring traffic. In this video, the items for inference are entries and exits, faces, people, and bags. As the model is applied, entries and exits are incremented as people cross the turnstiles and people, faces, and bags are counted. The appliance in this deployment features a multi-core processor with dedicated hardware for AI inferences. Business applications like WebAx and Linux, as well as the control and management of the model, are run in the processor cores. In this architecture, the operating system, business applications, and other data are all in the same shared access as the environment with the AI model. This means that anyone with shared access can access and corrupt the model. An action as simple as a change to a script can corrupt the model and make it useless. One small change, and the measurements are no longer being taken. In addition, the models and associated data are now exposed and can be corrupted or stolen. That's a very valuable collection of intellectual property that needs to be protected. In this deployment, a hypervisor with associated firewall is deployed to seal the model off from business applications. The model is not visible and can only be accessed with the appropriate credentials and virtual network connection. Using this solution, product developers, AI model developers, and end users can deploy knowing that the model is safe. Edge AI is amazing, but only if it's secure. Learn more about how Sequitur Labs is leading the way in protecting AI at the edge by checking out our solutions at sequiturlabs.com or by contacting us.